Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove magnets, open doors, and move the fridge if needed to access the dents back. Use isopropyl alcohol to clean around the dent so tools grip. If the dent is under 1 inch, attach a firm suction cup straight on. If it won't pull, heat the area with a hair dryer on high for 1-2 minutes to expand the metal. Once warmed, pull with steady pressure, don't jerk, and observe edges for movement. Once you can reach behind, support the surrounding metal with one hand while you push the dent outward from the center using a rounded wooden dowel. Tap gently with a rubber mallet, short, controlled taps, so you avoid overcorrecting. Make sure to work from the deepest point toward the edges. This redistributes metal gradually. After a few passes, stop and reheat the exterior briefly to relax the metal, then refine with the suction cup for final smoothing. You finish by cooling the area, then buffing with a stainless cleaner to hide minor marks. Make sure to inspect seams and edges. If a hollow spot remains, repeat the push-heat-pull sequence rather than forcing a single large movement. If the dent resists or you risk crimping a panel, stop and consult a professional to avoid costly damage. And if the surface scratched, touch it up promptly to prevent corrosion. This saves you work later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.